Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. If your Vizio remote sensor is not detecting signals or your TV isn't responding to your remote, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through simple, step-by-step methods to identify and fix the problem. By the end, your remote and TV will be working perfectly again. Step 1. Check the remote's IR signal. The first step is to check if your remote's infrared IR light is actually working. Grab your smartphone, open the camera app, and point it towards the top of the remote. Then press any button. If you see a flickering light through your phone's camera, the remote is working fine. If not, the remote batteries or internal sensor might be the issue. Replace the batteries with fresh ones and try again. Step 2. Clean the remote sensor area on the TV. Dust, fingerprints, or smudges on your TV's sensor area can interfere with the infrared signal, preventing your remote from working properly. Locate the IR sensor, usually found at the bottom center or lower right of your Vizio TV. Take a soft, dry microfiber cloth and gently wipe the area to remove any dirt or grime. Avoid using liquids, sprays, or harsh chemicals, as they may damage the sensor. Once the area is clean, try using the remote again. A clear and clean sensor ensures that the remote's signal reaches the TV without interference. Step 3. Remove any obstructions. For your remote to work efficiently, it needs a clear, unobstructed path to the TV's sensor. Ensure that no objects like soundbars, decorations, or furniture are blocking the front of your TV. Even transparent covers or glass can sometimes affect signal strength. Test the remote from different angles and distances to see how it responds. If it only works when you're very close, the problem might be signal interference or a weak IR emitter inside the remote. Keeping a clear line of sight helps maintain a strong and stable connection between your remote and the TV. Step 4. Power cycle the TV. If cleaning and checking the remote didn't work, it's time to power cycle your Vizio TV. Unplug your TV from the power outlet. Press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for 10 to 15 seconds. Now, plug it back in and turn it on. This clears out minor glitches that may cause the remote sensor to stop responding. Step 5. Reset the TV settings, if needed. If the problem still persists, a factory reset might help. Using the buttons on your TV, go to Menu System Reset and Admin Reset TV to Factory Defaults. Confirm the action and wait for your TV to restart. After resetting, pair your remote again and test it. The sensor should now detect signals properly. And that's it. You've now learned all the effective ways to fix a Vizio remote sensor not detecting issue. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share it with others facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next Vizio Fix tutorial.